Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. This is the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. We start here with Chapstick the Crazy because we have fun on our channel. We like to entertain and also provide information and hope to be helpful. The troll part is not caring too much about the beauty community standards of what beauty is. You set the standard for yourself. Love yourself for who you are and for how you look. Self-acceptance, self-love. Embrace your natural features. Enhance them if you want to, but not because you feel like you have to. You can use whatever brand you want, whatever tool you want, whatever technique you want to get your makeup on the way you want to. That is the concept of the Crazy Troll Nation. This is what else you will see here. This is another Keep It Real Fun collab. So a little housekeeping first. But first, I'm going to show you all the ladies who are in this collab group. Hopefully I didn't forget anybody. If I did, I'm sorry. So a little housekeeping. Okay, October last year was when this Keep It Real Fun collab was started. So this is the first year anniversary of Keep It Real Fun collabs. And I have notes here. Yeah, troll memory be somewhere else. And they started with the Halloween theme. And Michelle asked Julia and V to collab with her and they agreed. So that's how this collab started. And I didn't realize it had been a year. And I did realize I kept saying the collabs every month, but troll mind be elsewhere. And what was not surprising to me was when I found out that V came up with the name of the group. And I'm like, yeah, because her channel is about having fun and she gives a word for the day at the end of her videos. And so Keep It Real Fun collab from such a fun person and an enjoyable channel. I'm like, yeah, I could see that and it really fit. And also, this month is Vilna's birthday. So happy birthday to you. And I think that's it for all the housekeeping. So this month's collab, I guess we're not done with housekeeping. We were supposed to find a leaf and then do a look based on a leaf. Okay, listen. Where I live at, I don't know what kind of trees they are, evergreen trees, whatever it is, but they don't have leaves. It's like them little sliver things. And I'm just like, okay, I'm going to be sitting here like, and so I was on felt like a scavenger hunt today. I went out and ran errands and I'm driving, I'm looking at the curb and everything. And there were a few in the patch of grass in the front, but that's where the dogs pee and poop. So I was like, I don't really want to do that. And there were some, you know, a few leaves by the dumpster, but it was just nasty over there. So I was just like, okay, so this is what I picked up on my way back in. And I'm hoping it wasn't peed or pooped on. So yeah, this is all I could find really. And it's been raining, so everything is really wet. And I'm just like, I gotta find a leaf. But that's the collab, is to find a leaf and to do a look based off of the leaf. And so you see the colors. And I like that this has some like burnt orange in it. And of course on this side, so browns, burnt orange, deep brown, almost black, but not quite. You got a little bit of tan in there. Yeah. So I was like, okay, yeah. So the palette I'm using, Martine Cosmetics 669. So this gave me a reason to use it, and I've been wanting to use it again. So I'm like, yes. So what we're going to do, don't want to blind you. So what we're going to do, these shades right here. And just for fun, and to still represent green, even though there was no green, but leaves were green, this is going to go on our lower lash line. And this is a dual chrome. So we're going to use these 3 shades. May or may not use this as a transition. Not sure yet. Or maybe this as a transition. Even though there's not a lot of green, depending on how I blend it, it may be okay. But I will call out the names as I use them. Lower lash line already. I have NYX Retractable Eyeliner. Of course, did you have any doubt? In Golden Olive. And base face is done. The cheek situation is Natasha Denona Tan, Bronze, and Glow palette. And I did use all 4 of these for all of this over here. And I already have a lip picked out that I'm excited to try that combo for the first time. So we're going to jump in. We're going to get started. All of the ladies' links to their YouTube channel will be below, and also their Instagram will be down below. And so you will have to go to their channel to get their video link, because I believe our videos are due like the day before, and y'all know I'm not able to commit to editing and scheduling the day before because Troll might be having a migraine or a bad pain day or something. And so today is actually October 4th, and so yeah, I'm early, and that's why I have pictures of all the women, and they may not look like everybody else's pictures with them holding their leaf or whatever the item is for that collab for that month. And so that's why mine will always be a little different. And I appreciate you ladies allowing me to do things this way so that I still could participate. I'm just not able to do the day before, and it creates a lot of anxiety because I don't know how my health is going to be the day before to be editing and scheduling. Jump into it. This is a Eat Some T37, and we're going to take Euphrenia, which was that, oh, and it's nice and creamy. I don't know if this is the right brush for this. Is this the right brush for this? I don't think this is the, ooh, yeah, this is. That's this shade right here, and it is a dual chrome, so you see how it's turning colors. Yeah, this one right here, and it represents leaves changing colors too. I am so excited for this palette. Hourglass number 3, and we're going to go into Melinda. And we're going to put that here. Look how they just, oh my gosh. I'm doing this to just bring that color up. I did not add extra shadow on the brush. Oh, and I didn't need to. Look at that. We're going to do the same thing on this side. I love this palette. I love this palette. Are we looking like the leaf a little bit? I don't know, but I'm loving it. We want to take a Makeup Forever number 234 brush, and we're going to go into Serafina. That's the matte brown at the top. And I remember this being pigmented. And this is why I wanted to put green underneath, just to bring some boldness into the look, because I knew it was going to be like a leaf, and the leaf I have is brown and burnt orange. I'm going lightly with the tip of the brush just to bring that up over here a little bit. I did not add any more shadow to the brush. I'm just going to feather this out and upward a little bit. Something new I've been playing with lately, trying to play with shapes. This is a Makeup Geek defined crease brush, and we're going to go into, we're going to take Sabrina. I was going to take Tabitha, which is the gray, but we're going to take Serafina, that light green that was in the upper corner. And we're going to put that here. Oh, that's nice. I laugh because I question myself. And then I'm like, oh, I like this. I'm excited. Fluffy brush, Esam V33, no shadow on it. And we're just going to lightly go in small circular motions. I don't want to disturb the lid shades. And so we're just staying on top of that green. I want to take a black and put like right here. I am digging this look. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. I don't know if the lip I plan on doing is going to go with this, but we're going to find out, because y'all know I just be experimenting here, just be doing stuff and hoping for the best. I am digging this. Ooh. We're going to take a clean Esam V33, and we are going to tap into, We're going to take McCready because I think it's a lighter black than this one. And this one here is Annabelle. So this is more black. So we're going to take this one here. This one has some shimmer to it, so that's why we're not using that one. Even though, no, we're not. Let me stop being indecisive. We're going to take McCready and we're going to tap just a little bit, and we're just going to feather in because I want it dark, but not too dark. Just a tiny bit, just a little gradient, just like that. So this is what I'm doing. Barely. And so that space that's here, that's where we're going to put that black. I'm learning how, I know I got loud, I'm sorry. I tapped in again, didn't tap off, and I'm tapping here first. I'm learning how to work with shapes. And so that's what this is. How I left the space and then put the black there. Someone that really helps me is Ash, Makeup and Chaos. Their channel is amazing. And they usually do like a wing type thing. And I'm just like, it's awesome. It's gorgeous. I love it. And they use really bold colors. And I love the shape that they create when they do their eyeshadow. And I'm like, I want to do that. I don't think I'm bold enough to do the way out. But this is baby steps for me. Like even just having that straight shape, not as rounded as it always is, because usually it's rounded down here where you see my crease goes. Well, my wrinkles usually is all the way over here. And so I've been making a conscious effort to work on changing my shape. And that's what I was doing earlier when I was feathering out that brown. So just trying new things, you know, a little bit here and there. Not anything drastic, because y'all know I'm good for messing up a look. And even though I'm experimenting, it's still a collab and I want the look to look nice. So that is going to be it for the eyeshadow for this look, except lower lash line. And again, we're taking Medusa, this shade right here. So that's purple and it's green. Fenty 220 brush. This is a creamy shade too. And we're just going to run that along our lower lash line. And I'm also playing with liner shapes, which is why I took the liner up past my corner. And that's the line that I will extend with my upper lash line liner. So I've been trying different things lately. As I said, little subtle things, nothing that you look at and be like, oh my gosh, wow, that's different. And be like, what's she do? Like something's a little different, but can't really figure out what. We're going to take a clean one and go into Euphornia, this shade that's here, and we're going to put that down here. I think I want to take, that's not keeping with the color story though, Freya, which is a pink and green flip, but then it might, that means I'm going to need a different brush. This is the Esom V31. Freya is this one up here, so it's pink and then it's green. So I guess it could kind of go with the theme. And we're going to just wrap that right here. So this is playing off of the green on the lower lash line, while also the pink is playing off of this shade up here. I like this. It's a little funky, but to me funky is good. It's different and it's good. And I like it. Let me know what you think about this look. This is me right here, y'all. Dark, smoky, grungy, deep colors, dark, bold colors. I love this look. I love this palette. So we're closing that up. Let me move my leaf so I don't crush it. I'm going to do liner and mascara. We're going to use MAC's Paint Pot in Black Mirror. And we're going to do Lancome Sills Booster XL, which is the mascara primer. And we're going to use Scott Barnes Pumped Up Mascara. And then we'll come back and do the lip. I'm going to wipe off some chapstick. I'm not sure how this lip is going to look, but we're going to do it. We're just going to do it. This is the liquid lipstick that was sent to me by Jazz. I will tag her below. I will also put her Instagram below. She does amazing looks. This is a Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in bronze chestnut. This is a serious experiment because we're going to put this in the center of it. I did that with a black one, not a Juvia's Place black lipstick, but a different black lipstick, and oh my gosh. And then I put a clear gloss in the middle. That would be perfect with this look, but because there's really no black in the leaf, so we're going to do brown. I'm going to edit out the rest of this process. So much product comes off of this wand. I had to keep scraping it off. This is like one of those concealer wands. It's huge. But it's nice though if you have full lips because you can cover your entire lip. Try to get it even. Didn't try too hard because my lips are not even. Letting it dry a little bit. Oh, my official YouTuber's tool. To dry my lip. I know I'm being silly. Okay, let me cut out and wait for this to dry. I am going to use a lipstick applicator. It's dry, but not completely dry, and I don't want to cross-contaminate this. And so this shade is Star Woman. And so we're going to, this is red. Oh, I'm gonna edit out the rest of this process. I'm taking one with no color on it because I but I want a gradient. How you see the gradient and the color on this side, and then this side is it just stops. So we're going to just go back and forth lightly. That's what I wanted. I think it goes with the look because the look is dark, but the lip to me is a little more vampy because of the dark brown and the red. But this is a vibe. Let me know, first of all, if my eye look represents the leaf. The different colors in the leaf, including the stem. And let me know if the eye look goes with the lip look. And also, I'm going to take another lipstick applicator, and I need to move these so I don't need to keep reaching like this. And we're going to take the Fenty Clear Gloss. So we're only going to take a little bit on a clean one. And oh, no, I can't dip that in there. You ever get so excited you can't speak, or you just got, So this is the look for the collab. Thank you, ladies. I hope you enjoy the look. And again, happy birthday to Vilna and happy anniversary to Keep It Real Fun Collabs. And make sure you do check out all the other ladies. Again, their channel links will be down below, and also their Instagram will be down below. And you will see me in the next video.